When I was a student applying for jobs, one of the biggest challenges I faced was going through multiple job descriptions every day and categorizing different types of roles to speed up my search. For instance, career portals are essentials for full-time applications, but they take a lot of time to browse, while easy applies jobs are quicker to submit but often come with lower success rate, yet we can't afford to skip them. To improve job efficiency, it's also crucial for us to apply for W2 roles, as these usually have faster hiring process. And we need to connect with staffing agencies for quicker placements and include contract roles like C2C roles for broader opportunities. Since doing all this manually, like reading all different job descriptions and categorizing them, is time consuming. So our job board automates the process by providing personalized categorized job links every day tailored to your profile and match score. In the staffing, W2 and C2C sections, you'll find opportunities shared directly by staffing agencies and recruiters who hire faster and more frequently. The W2 roles are in general full-time or contract positions with quicker onboardings, while C2C roles are contract based, ideal for short-term or project-driven work. Each listing is refreshed every 24 hours and matched with your profile using our ATS-based system. Let's go with staffing agencies. I click on apply now. It has redirected me to LinkedIn. So you always get the most relevant and high potential opportunities without spending hours searching across different portals or required recruitment board provided by that particular staffing agency. When you click on Easy Apply section, you will see a lot of jobs that can be applied directly through LinkedIn, no long forms or redirects. These roles are refreshed every 24 hours and matched to your profile using our ATS powered system. This way you can quickly apply to multiple relevant openings with just a few clicks, saving time while still maintaining quality and relevance in your applications. When you click on Career Portal application section, you'll find links that take you directly to each company's official career page. These listings are updated every 24 hours, so you see the freshest, most active openings. Every role is carefully filtered and matched to your profile using our ATS-based matching system, ensuring that jobs you view are not only relevant but also increase your chances of getting noticed by hiring teams. This is how you need to, when you click apply, it shows the job links that you need to apply for, and it shows 80% match relevant to my profile, and you can change resume accordingly every time. And once after you apply, it is in the pending state. So whenever you click on completed, you can go to the applied job section and check the job role that you have applied for today. And this is how you will be redirected to the company's career portals.